Hey guys, Mr. Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to jumpstart your car with the power bank. These are specialized power banks, as you can see. This is it here. It's 20,000 milliamp hours. You can do up to 6 litre petrol and 4 litre diesel, I believe. And there the wires itself, the clamps. Red is positive, black is negative. And there's a connector, and make sure you turn it on just in case. Okay, so we'll show you now. This is how you know if your battery is dead. It will make a clicking noise, so that means his battery is dead.
Rest in peace, my guy.
So I'm going to teach you how to jumpstart it, and once you jumpstart it, you want to rev it a bit so the engine, the alternator starts spinning and it charges itself using the belt. But this has been sat here for a while, so that's why the battery died after a while. It's been through quite a lot. It's not been driven for ages, so yeah. So let's set this up. I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, you want to turn it on first. So you want to turn the on button on. I forgot to do that once, and I was wondering why when working on jump starting someone's car. I only found out afterwards. And I looked at it, it was set off. So make sure you turn it on. Alright, there's the pots. So simple thing. Literally plug it in here. I think it goes this way. You can only go one way. Yep, not that way. There you go. That's fully in, and you can see it goes red, green, red, green. So once you put these clamps on the positive and negative of the battery, it will go green, and then once it goes green, that's when you're meant to start it. So you will need 2 people to do this. So just get a friend or someone, or if you're on your own and it's broken down somewhere, then good luck. You just have to time it yourself. You won't be able to see it under the bonnet. So yeah, that's how it's going to be. So I'll just take this off and put this on the battery and go for it. So once put your window down, you know him to hear me. I'm going to shout at him and tell him when to do it.
We're on the camera right now.
Okay, we have a third person to hold the camera for us now. It's my little brother. Here you go. Okay, make sure you capture me.
What, your face?
No. Capture what I'm doing. Huh? Mubarak with this. What you guys do? I'll pause it. You got it on you?
Yep, got it.
Flat surface. Should just hold it. Right. So you want to put the positive, which is this one. Yeah. Bobby, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you when.
Don't ruin me over.
So let me just make this tighter. Very good. Okay, don't get too close. Right, so all I'm doing is connecting this. Put the light. Labu, go for it. There you go, it is back to life. All from this handy thing. So what you want to do is rev it a bit so the belt spins and charges it up. And you're sorted now. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you Astra for being dead so we could provide this video. And thank you Labib. Thank you guys, goodbye.